नमस्कार. या खाशेल्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. मायनिंगाच्या सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या ह्या दुसऱ्या निर्णयान म्हणटा परत एक फावट गोंयाक बरोच दणको बसला, इंडस्ट्रीक दणको बसला आणि जी लिजीस गोंय सरकारान रिन्यू केल्ली एट द एंड ऑफ 2014 आनी बिगिनींग ऑफ 2015 ती सगळी सुप्रीम कोर्टान इनवॅलीड केल्यात. 15 मार्च मेरेन प्रास दिला प्रॅक्टिकली इन रियलिटी टू वायंड अप ऑपरेशन्स. ताजे मुखार कितें जातलें, ह्या ऑर्डरीचो अर्थ कितें, ताका जबाबदार कोण आनी फुडली दिका कितें हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 3 मानेस्तां बरोबर पयले आसात भाजपाचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आमदार आनी जांकां मायनिंगांतल्यो बऱ्योच गजाली कळटात, निलेश बाब काब्राल, स्वागत. दुसरे आसात म्हणजे बरोबर देशाचे आदले असिस्टंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल नामनेचे आदवोगाद कार्लोस बाब फेरेर, स्वागत. आणि तिसरे आसात म्हणजे बरोबर काँग्रेसीचे स्पोक्सपर्सन पण तांचे आदवोगाद म्हणूनय ह्या पॅनलाचेर खूब गरज आसा, एडवोकेट यतीश नायक. Kalwa, I'll start with you. How are you interpreting this judgment and how bad is the fallout going to be?
If you see the preamble of the judgment, you would understand what is to follow. I will just read something. Rapacious and rampant exploitation of our natural resources is the hallmark of our iron ore mining sector, coupled with a total lack of concern for the environment and health and well-being of the denizens in the vicinity of the mines. The sole motive of mining leaseholders seems to be to make profits, no matter how, and the attitude seems to be that if the rule of law is required to be put on the back burner, so be it. Supreme Court has considered in this judgment that it had already given a previous finding in an earlier decision of 2014 in a petition filed by Goa Foundation, saying that all these mining leases had expired and that fresh leases could be given by the state government. It had not stated exactly how the fresh leases were to be given, and that it allowed the state government the flexibility of the policy to be set up and then have the leases granted. But the hallmark of that judgment was that there was not going to be a renewal, because the Supreme Court was already conscious at that time in 2014 that the leases had expired, that also the state government in 2012 September had kept all these mining leases in abeyance. That was followed immediately thereafter, few days later, by the ECs being kept in abeyance by the MOEF, and thereafter, after the judgment of 2014, the state government knew it very well, and that's what Supreme Court says, that these could not have been renewed but fresh leases to be granted. Therefore, the Supreme Court, even after taking pains repeatedly to state that the government of Goa had brought out a policy in 2012 speaking of rampant illegal mining which was carried out between 2006 and 2012, and also speaking about the stand of the state government before the High Court, where they had categorically stated that they were not going to grant renewals, but they would grant fresh leases. And taking into account all these factors and looking back at its earlier decision of 2014, held that the state government could not have renewed these leases. There is another aspect also which Supreme Court touched upon, was these renewals were done in utmost hurry. And why utmost hurry? Because Supreme Court puts it on record that it was in public domain that the central government was coming out with an amendment to the MMRD Act, that is the Minerals and Mines Development Regulation Act 1957, to auction these mines. So, before that could happen, the Supreme Court has taken pains to bring a table in the judgment several times to show the speed in which these renewals were granted, claiming that it was to augment revenue of the state, which Supreme Court found was not justifiable. So, I feel that with this judgment, Supreme Court has now put a full stop on all these contentions which have been raised. Supreme Court has clearly defined the parameters for grant of these mining leases, And Supreme Court has also said that from 15th March now, all till 15 March they can continue. Thereafter, they would have to stop operation.
Nilesh, how do you interpret? Basic ढाचो सगळं कालो सोबन सांगलो.
But I will not be repetitive
Right.
to the extent that Dottor has spoken. But I can give a little prelude. Mining ही industry. Mining substantially गोंयांत revenue generating module आशिल्लो. मायनिंगाचेर खूब जाण डिपेंडंट आशिल्ले. सस्टेनेबल मायनिंग जावचें म्हणून सगळ्यांची आस्त आशिल्ली. आनी जेन्ना मायनिंग चलतालें तेन्ना खुबशे गोंयकार घराबे ताजेर चलताले. दीस इज अ प्रिल्यूड. 2012च्या पयलीं जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकार ऑपोजिशन लिडर आशिल्लो. Now I am deliberately trying to point out politics in this because then I will point out some judgment aspects which have been appreciated. मनोहर पर्रीकार जेन्ना 2012 ताज्या पयलीं ऑपोजिशन लिडर आशिल्लो आनी PACचो चेअरमॅन आशिल्लो तेन्ना ताणें 25,000 कोटी एक मिनिट म्हाका उलोवंक दी 25,000 कोटी हे शब्द ताणें काडिल्ले. तो PACचो रिपोर्ट did not see the light of the day. Thereafter, when he became chief minister, the first thing that he did was stopped mining. And this aspect has also been appreciated in the Supreme Court, that mining for the first time was suspended by the state government. Thereafter, Manohar Parrikar in 2017 September सुद्धा, to my knowledge, ताणे स्टेटमेंट सुद्धा केला खंय तरी उलयता आसतना मायनिंग नो लॉंगर वी आर डिपेंडंट ऑन नाव फॉर स्टेट रेवेन्यू असो सुद्धा उलयलो तो. म्हणजे इफ यू सी द जर्नी एज ऑपोजिशन लिडर एंड PAC चेअरमॅन टू नाव एज ही बीइंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर, I feel that he has basically done a mess of the mining industry. Sustainable mining industry आसची ही सगळ्यांक दिसता, पूण असल्या तरेचे जे 25,000 कोटी आनी कितें म्हणजे राजकारणा खातीर तो जे कितें ताणें केलें तें ताका आज म्हारग पडटा. दुसरी गोष्ट, तुमी जर मुद्दम पळयत 2012 टील डेट ताणें केन्ना सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टींक बाबा चल बाबा आमी मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री सस्टेनेबल कशी करची, कितें करचें ताजें कन्सेन्सीस केन्ना परगटायतना आयकलां? स्टेक होल्डर्सांचे बाबा कितें म्हणणें आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक एका मेजार हाडून बसोवचें, गोंयकारांक बसोवचें आनी तांचे सगळ्यांचें आयकून बाबा एक कितें तरी गोंया खातीर बरें अशें कितें करया अशें केन्ना आयकलां? सेंट्रल पॅकेज मायनिंगाक डिपेंडंट्सांक ताणें 2014च्या लोकसभेच्या मॅनिफेस्टोन सुद्दां उलयल्लो. तो आसा ते मॅनिफेस्टोन ताणें हाडली. ताणें बारीक जर तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार ही हॉलो डायरेक्शनलेस कमेंट्स जे आशिल्ले ते डायरेक्शनलेस कमेंट्स वेर ओनली फॉर पॉलिटिकल रिजन्स दॅट ही वॉज मेकिंग. आनी सदां उलोवप कितें काय म्हणल्यार काँग्रेस आसतना अशें जालें, काँग्रेस आसतना अशें जालें. आनी ह्या फाटभुंयेचेर ताणें एक मिनरल पॉलिसी केली जी दोतोरान आतां उल्लेख केलो. पॅरा नंबर 113 ताणें तातूंत स्पेसिफिकली बरयलां, the mineral policy clearly suggests that for a period of 5 years between 2006 and 2012, म्हणजे ही policy now is only speaking of that Congress period 2006 to 2012, the mining leaseholders committed various illegalities and irregularities. आता अशा तरेचे पिक्चर हाणेच क्रिएट केल्लें आनी आज आमी वो जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान आयकलो. हाव basically Congress party has always been for sustainable mining, म्हणजे environment, development, human growth सगळें तुका बॅलन्स करून मायनिंग एक्टिविटी गोंयकारांच्या इंडस्ट्रीच्या एनवायरमेंटाच्या सगळ्या हितान आसची हे धोरणाची काँग्रेस पार्टी. पूण मनोहर पर्रीकार बाबान आपले हे जे उलयलां हॉलो तुका ज्यो गोश्टी हांवें सांगल्यो हे सगळें तो उलोवन आज आमी आयच्या परिस्थितीचेर पावल्या. सो बेजिकली मायनिंगाचें हांवें तुमकां सांगलें ते भशेन केन्ना तुवें ताका चल बाबा सगळ्यांक आपोवन आमी डिस्कस करया, एक पॉलिटिकल कन्सेन्सीस हाडुया अशें केन्ना तुवें ताचे कडल्यान आयकलां?
फ्रॉम द टाइम ही वॉज ओपोजिशन लीडर टील टुडे देर हॅज बीन कन्सिस्टंट एंटी मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री स्टान्स म्हणतो.
ना हांव म्हणटा कितें, मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे कितें, मायनिंग इकॉनॉमीक कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करता. सो आय एम इंटरेस्टेड दॅट मायनिंग कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट्स इकॉनॉमी ऑफ द स्टेट. तो जेन्ना म्हणटा सप्टेंबर 2017 की वी आर नो लॉंगर डिपेंडंट ऑन मायनिंग, ताजे वयल्यानूच ताजी मानसिकता दिश्टी पडटा न्ही.
Okay. Nilesh, how do you interpret? Let's go to the politics later. What is the government's interpretation of the order?
See, government's interpretation is too less. How be order given basla.
Right.
I was also going through it. See, various people are responsible for this order. It is not only the government, but this present government, but the past government also is responsible. But I find if you go through this order, see, I as a technical man, आता mining म्हणून म्हाका खबर आसा म्हणून हांव सांगू शकता.
Right.
This order, what Supreme Court has given, is going to have lot of effects of the mining industry in Goa. Mining industry म्हणजे व्हडले म्हजे ट्रकवालेच ना वा म्हजे मिशनरीवाले ना. It is an industry which depend from Mormunga port ते बाज ओनर दवरून वाटे वयले सगळे बाज रिपेरर दवरून सारखे आमचे ते पावता ते हँडलर दवरून मायनिंगेचे ते हिंटरलँड मायनिंग चलता ते सगळे एवरीबडी इन्वॉल्व इन द सर्कस.
Yeah.
आता 2012 ह्यो गोष्टी जाल्ल्यो. सम पीपल वर लिंपिंग बॅक टू कमिंग बॅक टू द सिच्युएशन ऑफ कमिंग बॅक. आज ही सुप्रीम कोर्टान ऑर्डर दिला म्हाका दिसता मायनिंग आनी गोंयान केन्ना चालू जावचें ना. अरे ते सांगता दे आर सेइंग दॅट यू हॅव टू ऑक्शन द लिजीस. वॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ ऑक्शन? अरे म्हजी हो मोबायल हांव जर ऑक्शन करपाक गेला जाल्यार ह्या मोबायलाचे सगळे म्हाका दिश्टी पडटा. हेतून भितरूय वचूंक मेवता आनी करूंक मेवता. आज ऑक्शन कर म्हणटा पळय, हो पेपर दिला, हो ग्रावंड दिला, हे ग्रावंडाक तूं सकयल पळय कसो पळोवपाचें आनी भितर कितें आसा तें पळय आनी ऑक्शन कर म्हणटा. अरे दिस इज टू अर्ली. आय अंडरस्टँड, ओके दे शूड डू ऑक्शन which the government had decided to do, and by doing सगळे pros and cons of the particular lease. आज 89 lease renew केल्ले. आम्ही त्यांना डिमांड केलो गव्हर्मेंटाकडे. रिझन इज बिकॉज इफ दॅट ऑक्शन पॉलिसी वॉज इम्प्लिकेटेड देन इट वूड टेक अ लॉंग प्रोसेस. अरे ते आता पळय पयलीं सुवातेर युअर काँग्रेसीन ई ऑक्शन तुजे एक्विजिशन ऍक्ट वाट लायल्लो. आज एक रस्तो करपाक जाय 2012 हांव आमदार आसा, 2013 एक रस्तो जायना, कांयच एक्विजिशन जायना. म्हाका सांग, हांवें सरफेस रायट म्हजो हे मायनिंग लीज होल्डर घेतला, हांव ते ऑक्शनवाल्याक कितें दितलो? which ground, which MMDR Act is protecting the rights of the surface? There is an act, but now the act itself is gone for a toss. The consent is the required, consent of the owner is required. Even if I want to do surface below 6 meters of the surface right, करपाक जाल्यार surface pole break up करपाक पडलो. So what I am saying is, as Supreme Court, whatever Goa Foundation and Gatla, it is something which has been drastic to this state of Goa. It is going to have vast repercussions because simple म्हणल्यार because there is no, see, अशें म्हणटा 2012 मनोहर पर्रीकर बाब जो आशिल्लो तो is responsible for this situation. I am saying that they were responsible for this situation because one mine, म्हाका सांग, एक mine हितून भायर पडल्या, खबर आहा तुका? It is not all those mine leases which were done in 89 last. एक mine भायर पडली, हांव नांव घेना, मायनिंग लीज नंबर घेना. एक मायन भायर पडली, एक मायन तो तेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंट आशिल्लो तो रिन्यू करूं शकताले, बाकीचे कित्याक रिन्यू करूं ना? So that one particular mine is out. Remaining all 89, 88 leases are now malfunctioned because of they are saying that it was out in open and government has done. आता हांव एकूच विचारता, आता government takes lot of decisions. Mineral policy decision was that certain date was given that whoever was there after that you have to do leases. So गोंयान कितलीश्यो लीज आसा, 89 सोडून म्हाका दिसता 150 लीज आनी आसा. आता हांव विचारता, policies are सांगले, and if the government of the state decided to give 89 people because they are working mines to renew it for the betterment of the society, betterment, it's a government decision, it's a policy decision. So because it was done, because mineral policy was supposed to be changed on a particular date, I don't functioning. आता पण न्यू आता बजेट पॉलिसी आयला, 1 सप्टेंबराच्यान लक्झरी कार जे आसा 10% वाडटा. म्हणजे आता लक्झरी कार जे विकता ते लक्झरी कार लोकांनी घेवप न्ही. म्हणजे माझे म्हणणं कितें, आय अंडरस्टँड दॅट दिस इज अ नॅचरल रिसोर्स, बट नॅचरल रिसोर्स ऑल द फॉर्मॅलिटीज दॅट इज द रॉयल्टी, अदर स्टॅट्युटरी पर्पज आर बीइंग डन. सी आता कितें आसा, इज बीइंग डन न्ही. इट इज नॉट दॅट इट इज नॉट बीइंग डन. जे रॉयल्टी फाल्यां जर तो लीज ऑक्शन करता वा आनी कोण करता ते रॉयल्टीज भरपाक आसतली तेजी न्ही.
काल एक म्हाका निलेशाच्या हातूंतल्यान वन पॉयंट दॅट इज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड इज दॅट इफ स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट हॅड वेटेड टू ऑक्शन then they had to go through the entire process of EIA, ECs and everything. And our immediate requirement was to start mining operations urgently. And that is why all the MLAs pressed that you do these renewals and you start it. Now that's the ground reality for the legislature. And he feels that Supreme Court has not considered that ground reality.
Of course. I don't know what he has to say, but it is.
In 2014, in the Goa Foundation case, the Supreme Court had already said that fresh leases are to be given. So there was no need of waiting anymore to decide whether should be given or not. You should have already moved in that direction once the decision had come. So therefore, then getting up later on and then having all this situation which was, I would say, built upon ourselves, would not have come if we had acted promptly upon the 2004 directions, because Supreme Court says itself that fresh ECs had to be given pursuant to the 2004 judgment. So it's not the auctioning which is going to give the fresh ECs, that would have to come by that auction. It might have delayed little more, but you would have had a fair and transparent procedure by which the state's revenue would have really been augmented. Today it's only royalty of a certain percentage which is getting, and there is nothing which the state government earns more. And the Supreme Court has said time and again, in many times, it has only been a loot and plunder by the mine owners.
एक गजाल म्हाका सांगात, एक I am reading that para 29,
Right.
which deals with the aspect of hurry.
Right.
The very important hurry aspect that you pointed out.
Correct.
It is important to mention here.
Yeah.
The approval of the ordinance by the Cabinet of the Government of India
Yeah.
became public knowledge on 5th January 2015.
Yeah.
And it is within a week from the date that the Government of Goa granted a second renewal to 25 mining leases. And to make matters worse, a second renewal was granted to 31 mining leases on 12th January 2015, the day the ordinance came into force, making a total of 56 renewals of mining leases.
Correct.
So now there are 2 points. एक जो निलेश बाबान मांडलो तो की तो म्हणता की there are many government decisions which are public knowledge, and you may augment your business or your style of functioning according to the public knowledge that something is going to happen in September or something is going to happen in December. How does it prove the state government wrong? How can hurry be a point of law?
See, what the Supreme Court has done is just 2 paragraphs before 28. It says, around this time and pursuant to the budget speech given by the Honorable Minister of Finance of the Government of India on 10 July 2014, it appears steps were being taken by the concerned ministry in the Government of India to amend the MMRD Act. That means it was already in process. In fact, a draft Mines and Mineral Development Regulation Act 2014 was prepared on or about 16 November and uploaded on the website of the Ministry of Mines on 17 November 2014. This information was placed before us from the response given by the Honorable Minister of Mines to unstart question number so and so to be answered in the Lok Sabha 8 December 2014. And then he says all this. And the Supreme Court has taken pains to show that right from July of 2014, when the process had started, and then in paragraph 28, if you look at it, the chart is given. When it went uploaded on the website, just see how many started getting cleared. And the speed in which 22 got cleared on 6th January, and on the very day when the ordinance came, it was 31 were cleared. And this same chart has been repeated again, because the Supreme Court has said, that's why I said to you in the beginning, the Supreme Court has said that at para 106 and 107, I'll just read. Unfortunately, the undue haste, because haste can also be arbitrary. So you see, in legal parlance, I'm not saying that every action taken fast, because an officer sitting for a long time with a file, he may be doing some justice to a file. But he may also be quick in disposal. But in the background in this scenario, when you have come out with a mineral policy in 2014 saying it will be for fresh leases, you take a stand before the High Court in the Lithophero case, which is recorded by the Supreme Court, that it will be only, we are only going to allow fresh leases and not renewals. What was the change of heart or mind? And the Supreme Court also took note that while this was only a draft policy, before it even could be actually implemented or finalized, certain paragraphs of it were deleted and it was acted upon without even having been finalized. Now this is clearly arbitrary and this
So you are
vitiates
saying it is
Article
not
14.
just haste, but it is the haste with this arbitrariness that is creating the point of law. Yeah, Yatish. How the hurry and point of law again? कारण
See,
निलेश
Dr.
चव्हाण मुद्दो काढला.
Dotor has pointed out.
Yeah.
See, state government, I'll go on a broad perspective because the nitty-gritties have been spoken by him. The broad perspective, even in para 29, what it tries to conclude that the state government has not handled the matter well. If you see the broad perspective, then you will know that state government has failed to ensure sustainable mining in Goa. State, no, I am coming on a, he may want to laugh because, see, let me answer. Let me speak.
I'll come to you.
Let me speak.
Which state government on which year?
Let me speak. Let me speak.
Okay.
Let me
He
speak.
asked a very nice question. Which state government
He
and
has
which
to
year?
play a role of a sycophant to please Manohar Parrikar.
No, I
So
don't
he
have
will
to
ask
please
this
anybody.
question.
I don't have to
Yes,
please
this is
anybody.
the virus with these
I am
BJP
asking you
people.
a question,
Yeah.
asking which state government.
Therefore,
Okay.
let me
Yatish,
answer.
Yatish,
Let me answer.
Yatish.
Let me.
Yeah.
Specifically, I am stating these people tried to paint a picture. इतकं illegalities झाल्यो अशें जालें. See, somebody as a petitioner doing it is one thing. Somebody is wanting to bring something to the notice is one thing. State government tried to do it, and state government of BJP led by Manohar Parrikar 2012 गव्हर्नमेंट कोणाचें आशिल्लें 2017 म्हणसर आज म्हणसर कोणाची सरकार आहा आनी तूं म्हाका सांग मायनिंग पॉलिसीचो प्रिल्यूड आसा पळय तो तूं सारकें काँग्रेस टेन्युरूच काडटा 2006 to 2012 what you are trying to show that you are one washed in milk everybody knows what you have done अरे त्यो काणयो सांगता पळय बीजेपी वाले they are in fool's paradise.
No,
They were thrown
Yatish,
out.
Yatish.
They have come from
Yeah,
the back door.
Yatish.
हांव तुका आतां सांग ताणें म्हाका पॉलिटिकल एग्रेशन करचें पडलें तुका सांगता हांव.
No,
Because you
I'll come to you.
you
You don't become aggressive. I'll come to you.
what I'm saying is
Yeah.
he asked me which government.
Yeah.
BJP government has messed up
Okay.
mining
Nilesh,
industry.
now I'll give you a chance to rebut, but very crucial points जे कालोस बाबान काढले. पहिली गजाल हेस्ट जेन्ना आर्बिट्री असता तेन्ना डिसिजन मेकिंगाचेर पॉइंट क्वेश्चन येता. दुसरी गजाल तुम्ही मिनरल पॉलिसी भितर सांगले की तुम्ही ऑक्शन करतले. तुम्ही हायकोर्टाक सांगले लुथफेराव केसी भितर की तुम्ही ऑक्शन करतले आणि मागीर सडनली जेन्ना ही ऑर्डिनन्साची बातमी आयली तुम्ही अकस्मात सेकंड रिन्युअल करपाक लागले. दिस क्रिएट्स दॅट सेन्स ऑफ आर्बिट्रीनेस.
I took a पहिली सांगला. Second renewal was not in 2014. I agree. When was the second renewal due? Which year? 2007.
हय.
एकूच मॅन रिन्यू झाली त्यांना मग बाकीच्यो कितें जावन आसल्यो तेन्ना कोणाचें गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्लें. सो माय क्वेश्चन टू हिम इज द सेम थिंग. वाय दोज पीपल डीड नॉट डू दॅट ऑर वॉट इज द रिजन ऑफ दिस कन्क्लुजन. रॅम्पंट मायनिंग जेन्ना जाल्लें तेका रिन्यू नासतना लीज जाल्यो न्ही रिन्युअल नासतना ते मायनी चलयल्यो हय मरे जाल्यार म्हाका हांव तेका विचारता त्यो केन्ना तेन्ना कश्यो मायनी त्यो चलोवपाक दिल्यो रिन्युअल नासतना. बट तेणें कितें तें न्हिदलेलें तेन्ना तेजो गव्हर्मेंट जो आशिल्लो तेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो 2006 2012 पासून काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्लो. लीज रिन्यू करनासतना लीज चलयल्यो आनी जेन्ना तितून एकूच मायनीचो लीज जाली रिन्यू जाली ती आज ही मायनीतले सगळे हे आसा पळय तितले भायर उरल्या. पण हांव कितें विचारूंक सोदतां तो पळय मनोहर पर्रीकर म्हणटा पळय हें काम रिन्युअलाचे लीज जे आशिल्ले तेन्ना जे सरकारान करपाक जाय आशिल्ले फायलीचे फायले ते वचून एप्लिकेशन मायन ओनराक विचार तेन्ना फुडले फावटी डिबेटीक आपय 4 जाणांक मायन ओनर ऑर लीज होल्डर कोण म्हणटा पळय तांकां आपय आनी तांकां विचार हाऊ मेनी टायम दे मस्ट हॅव गॉन टू देम टू आस्क देम टू रिन्यू द लीज.
निलेश तो एक भाग झालो.
मागीर?
दुसरो भाग असतो
See,
काल्लोस
Pramod.
ना येते काउंटी. दुसरो भाग असतो तो काल्लोस बाबान काढलो की मिनरल पॉलिसी भितर तुम्ही जेन्ना ऑक्शन म्हणटात तुम्ही हायकोर्टा भितर ऑक्शन म्हणटात यू
mineral
लुक
policy-
सेल्फ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी.
तू समजना
You look self-contradictory.
मिनरल पॉलिसी केन्ना येयली. मिनरल पॉलिसी तू वाच. इट इज नॉट इट इज अ पॉलिसी विच हॅज बीन इन द इम्प्लिमेंटिंग स्टेज. We are saying that we are going to implement the stage and we are going to auction. We are still saying, but we have renewed these leases for a particular reason. Is because if we do a process of auctioning, I have on चालू केल्यानं सांगला अरे पितर प्रॉस्पेक्टिंग करनासतना काय डिटेल नसतना अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ओर नसतना ती लीज ऑक्शन कशें करप आज इंडियाभर लीज ऑक्शन करता कितले लीज गेले तुका खबर आसा कितले इफेक्टिव्ह लीज चालू आसा खबर आसा कोण लीज घेना because the policy is so fraudulent that people why they have to spend crores of rupees in identifying what is there and मागीर developing stages खंय लीज गेले म्हाका दाखयची let me finish तू आख्खे देशभर आतां लीज ऑक्शन जाता कितले ऑक्शन जाले आनी कितले चालू जाले म्हाका सांगच्यो ना हांव तुका डिटेल दिता नेक्स्ट ऑक्शन कित्याक म्हणजे ना कित्याक सडनली जाले देर आर हार्डली एनी लीजीस टेकन बाय एनी कंपनी for see what is the basis of auction you have to have data if you are acting a 67 acre or 61 hectare lease what is below that surface right what is above everybody can see what is below who can see so you have to have data that this is what the data is and this is based on the auction हे केल्ले आसा so that is why mineral policy जेन्ना केल्या they were supposed to do all this and then do it
ताकतिकेन मायनिंग सुरू करपा खातीर होच मार्ग आशिल्लो
हांव म्हणटा कितें स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान तेन्ना घेतले इट इज इंटरेस्ट सी गव्हर्मेंट इज हू इट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल सुप्रीम कोर्टाक पगार कोण दिता इट इज द सिस्टम विच ऑपरेट्स आनी तांकां पगार जो जज आनी कोण आसा पळय तांकां कोण दिता इट इज द सिस्टम विच ऑपरेट्स सो अल्टिमेटली फॉर एनी सिस्टम टू ऑपरेट elected government has to look we are elected by the people we have to see what is the fair interest of the people what was done at that particular time by renewing only 88 or 89 because they were effectively working mines बाकीचे करू ना
वेलकम टू यू
प्रमोद
या
तो आता जुईजांच्या पगाराचेर सुद्धा पावलो
हांव सांगता रे एक्झाम्पल सिस्टम कितें जाता सांगता रे तू खंयच्या खंय पावनाका
इतले तुम्ही सडेतोडपणे हांगाच जर स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट जर हाजेर सारको विचार करता see again I am telling you I am not speaking for leaseholders or I am not speaking for anybody else I am speaking I don't know
I don't know
see I don't know let me answer no
he said see I don't know म्हणटा त्याच्या हांव म्हणटा I don't know म्हणटा leaseholder आम्ही leaseholder
कित्याक
in the interest of the people
अरे कित्याक I don't know म्हणला सांगता
I don't know
ऐक मरे सांगता तुका तो तू सांगता पॉलिसी फ्रॉड्युलंट पॉलिसी कोणाची
अरे पॉलिसी
ऐक रे
ते वाच बरं तुझे व्हॉट इज युअर पॉलिसी इज अवेअर ऑफ व्हॉट इज पॉलिसी
अरे बाबा ऐक रे पॉलिसी म्हाका उत्तर दिवंक दी तुवें सांगला पॉलिसी ड्राफ्ट असो आणि कितें असो पॉलिसी फ्रॉड्युलंट हे उतर ताणें काडला
अरे म्हाका उत्तर तुगे करेक्ट करता फ्रॉड्युलंट म्हणल्यार कितें इट इज अ पॉलिसी
इम्प्रॅक्टिकल
सी लेट मी हाय सांगला न्ही तो मजेर घालता तू बेश्टे उलयताल्यार सांगपाचो व्हॉट आय सेड इज पॉलिसी केल्या फॉर इम्प्लिमेंटिंग इन द फ्युचर स्टेज
बरोबर
अजूनही ती लीज करू ना म्हणजे कितें ऑप्शन काढला
वी
आर इन अ प्रोसेस ऑफ डुईंग इट you go backwards. What we are discussing is whether the lease renewal should have been done or yes or no.
His point is his point is
I am making a statement.
Yeah.
काँग्रेसीचो गव्हर्नमेंट आशिल्लो तेन्ना इल्लिगॅलिटी कसल्योच जावना हे बुजगावणे ऐक म्हणजे हे बुजगावणे हाणी उबे केल्ले हे बुजगावणे आका
यतीश see my point is very simple तो कितें म्हणटा की merely having an intention in the draft policy cannot be held against his government
म्हाका एक सांग
stating that it is a breach of intention
म्हाका एक सांग no it's not correct म्हाका एक सांग
that's his point
ऐक रे ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी कोणाची ऐक रे ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसीत इंटेंशन दिसता काय ना आता म्हाका सांग त्या इंटेंशनाक और वॉट एवर ते कार्यरत जाल्यार ही कम्स टू द एडजेक्टिव्ह इट विल बी फ्रॉड्युलंट हो ताजो शब्द हांवें म्हणूं ना ताजो शब्द आता म्हाका सांग पॉलिसी कोणाची
अरे तू कॉमन उलय रे ॲडव्होकेटाची भाषा उलयता पळय अरे जावचे ना
अरे म्हणजे बीजेपीचो आमदार बीजेपी ऐक रे बीजेपीचो आमदार
I understood
मागीर तो खंयच्या काय गुडायता
बीजेपीचो अरे तुझे रिकॉर्ड जाला आमदार बीजेपीचो आमदार बीजेपीच्याच पॉलिसी
I'll come to you.
मुद्द्यार येता एक मिनिट I was completing that. दोतर एकूच मिनिट.
No, I'll tell you why. Because there is some error going in this discussion.
No, म्हाका एकच गजाल जाय आशिल्ली because I wanted to come to you because this auction म्हणटा ती गजाल आमी आयकता But what I understand after reading this judgment
Yeah.
is that Supreme Court has not strike down these renewals because they were not auctioned. Supreme Court has
Correct.
strike down these renewals
This is what I'm trying to
because
say.
they were renewed and not fresh grants were given.
Correct.
Point one. Point two, Supreme Court has also made its stand very clear about the auctions in this order. What is that stand?
Okay.
Yeah.
First thing, before I answer this, I will
Yeah.
just clarify one small thing which
Yes,
we were
yes.
debating here.
Yes.
One thing I want to make clear, because I had spoken of the draft policy which was made by this government in November, but there is one more thing with the Supreme Court itself. Words of Supreme Court is, the grant of mining lease policy was eventually published on 20th January 2015, but it was acted upon even before it was gazetted. So you understanding?
Yeah.
So it was only on the draft policy, and the final policy with deleted clauses, which Supreme Court has mentioned what was deleted, was finally gazetted then on 20th January, but acted even before that date.
When it was draft.
That is in draft
Yeah.
policy. That is one part.
Yeah.
Now,
I'll come to
now,
that.
now, wait.
Draft notification म्हटलं की
Right.
see आता आम्ही मोदी काटा bill is to be passed.
Correct.
So in between that, what he is saying is absolutely right.
Yeah.
But if there are changes, if the government has not
You're free
notified
to do it.
मग
Ah, okay.
That's what I'm trying
Yes,
to say.
yes, nobody is disputing that.
Now, as far as the question, what was before Supreme Court?
Yeah.
Supreme Court clearly has said that, see, the question does not arise. The MMDR Act was of only auction was not mandated as the only method of allocation of national resource. Since the question does not arise in these cases, we decline to go into issue. We need not finally adjudicate whether the state of Goa should have auctioned the mining leases, but we are called upon to decide whether the grant of second renewals was valid in law.
Yeah, that's what
I'm
I
talking
said.
about that
So that's what I said.
That's what you said.
So,
I'm
correct.
talking
Yes,
about
so
that
the,
topic.
yes, yes.
So the Supreme Court
Yeah.
has not yet decided in this judgment, because it is an academic exercise whether auction should be held or not.
Yes.
But if you read,
And also this,
but if you read the
judgment
thread,
is not solely based on that premise. Yeah.
Exactly.
Correct.
if we also see, the judgment does not strike down the policy, because the policy was not under consideration, not called in question.
Correct.
It earlier view was Supreme Court never interfered in policy decisions, never questioned policy. But if today government acts on policies, it can be called in question and seen whether it's arbitrary or something illegal, contrary to
Yeah,
constitution.
wait, let Dr. finish.
Now the other part of it is,
Yeah.
your question was about the
About the auction.
Auction.
What Supreme Court actually, because आता वो प्रश्न येतलो
now what is the next mode of going
Yeah,
about?
what Supreme Court says, although it says that auction is not the only mode of giving leases, it also says something more about the auctions.
If you look at the thread of the judgments, the
For
Supreme Court
example,
has,
in para 93,
yeah,
there is a clear-cut thing, be that as it may,
correct.
there is no doubt that iron ore mining in Goa was solely for commercial purposes.
Yeah.
It was extracted primarily for export to China and Japan.
Yeah.
So it clearly says,
Correct.
it makes distinction between domestic and export.
Right.
It also makes distinction between for public purposes and private purposes.
Correct.
So how do you interpret that? So auction need not be the only mode. At the same time, in Goa's case, Supreme Court says that auction was the only mode.
No.
Ah.
Please, if you read very carefully,
Yes.
the judgment of the Supreme Court keeps on insisting that auction is the first mode preferred, which should be resorted to, and if you don't want to take auction, there must be weighty reasons why you don't want to auction. Then, now you know, after this ordinance, it has been replaced by an act, and the act mandates now that all mining leases will be auctioned.
Yeah. Now.
So the question is, the
Yeah.
policy, even if it is silent whether it should be auctioned or not auctioned, Supreme Court's condition number 7 is, the state of Goa shall take all necessary steps to grant fresh mining leases in accordance with the provisions of the MMRD Act 1957. Now the 1957 Act as amended and it stands today is auction.
Is auction.
Even otherwise, if
no,
I can just
I'm
point
I'm
out-
agreeing to that.
If I can
wait,
just
I'll
point
come to
out,
you.
see,
Yes,
see,
yes, yes.
if
I'll
I
come
can
to
just
you.
point
I'll
out,
come to you.
if I can just point out
Yeah.
in furtherance to it, I will just point out for academic purpose. In continuation where Dr. has stopped. Therefore, in principle, the decision of the state of Goa to not auction the grant of mining leases was flawed in that it did not serve the common or public good. So, this was appreciated by the Supreme Court. I am just pointing it out because this was part of it was read. This is what is held by the Supreme Court in para 93.
So निलेश एक प्रश्न असा एक प्रश्न असा की स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट लुक्स लॉट ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी मोड्स हियर
No, no.
आणि ताका लागून अशें दिसता की एक जो प्रोसेस जालो
समजना सुप्रीम कोर्ट हाचे डिसिजन तुवेंच सांगला तांकां विचारला प्रश्न
बरोबर
इट इज नॉट ते ऑप्शन केला तेजे उलयना ते
बरोबर.
म्हणटा इंट्रस्टी
ते म्हणटा रिन्युअल करप चुकीचें फ्रेश ग्रांट दिवपाची
रिन्युअल करपाक चुकीचे कशें म्हणटा ते म्हाका समजना बिकॉज ते म्हणटा की आपणाची गाडी जी आसपास
they are
टॅक्स
saying
वाडपाचो
no, no,
आहा
they are saying that आपली प्रिवियस ऑर्डर जी आशिल्ली मेन मायनिंग मॅटरांतली तातूंत भितर तांणी सांगिल्लें फ्रेश ग्रांट दिवच्यो तुमी फ्रेश ग्रांट दिनासतना यू इंटरप्रिटेड फ्रेश ग्रांट्स एज फ्रेश रिन्युअल्स Which Supreme Court says that is incorrect.
दोतोरान सांगला पळय पॉलिसी जी मायनिंग पॉलिसी 1957 ची एमएमडी ऍक्टाची नाव इट इज मॅन्डेटरी दॅट इट हॅज टू बी लीज इज टू बी ऑक्शन नाव दिस व्हेन इट केम आफ्टर दॅट हॅव दे डन no they have done before that now their contention is that you were aware that this would be done so you have renewed the leases see it is the contention of the government how to do it no see हांव म्हजें म्हणणें कितें एमएमडीआर एक्ट जातरी जर ती लीज रिन्यू केल्ली इट इज क्वेश्चनेबल वॉट दे आर सेइंग दॅट वन लीज त्याने डिटेल दिला एक दिसा 31 केले एक दिसा 1 केले एक दिसा 2 दिले इट वॉज डन इन द प्रिव्यू दे वे ऑन गोईंग प्रोसेस फ्रॉम 2007 इट वॉज ऑन गोईंग प्रोसेस a date whatever decided came if you go to see wholesale maybe it looks तशें आता इट इज
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा ऑन द पॉयंट ऑफ लॉ यू आर नॉट गिल्टी
on the point of law it is the see today we are elected representatives we have to see what is required for the people of that day
No, let me ask you a very clear question. Do you think that the Supreme Court has encroached into the area of legislature through this?
see they are assuming they have not legislation but they are saying that before the legislation आम्ही एक डेट दिल्ली त्या डेटी पहिले त्यांनी केले because it was a draft policy which was not notified so that is why because of draft policy he did fast केले आणि केले आता that is a legislation they are noting on I am asking you the opposite question but without having a legislation how they can pass an order on what basis just because they are saying that this is that is that are tomorrow the same government might have deferred it my president might not have given action then what happens
President might not have signed it.
not have signed it then what happens so they are also going on only on
They are
hearsay
very interesting
no
point.
they are saying they are
Yeah.
see if the president has
Okay,
not signed then let us see what happens
Carlos Babe elaborate on that.
this is very
Very
I don't think
interesting
Supreme
point.
Court
And
has
what
त्या
if
भुरग्यांचो हेड हांव तुका डायरेक्ट तांकां लोकांचे पडोन
Now you are entering area of the
ना
contempt.
हांव सांगता आय एम नॉट
Now you are
कंटेम्प जावं म्हाका
entering
काय
the area
पडोन
of
गेलो व्हरा म्हाका सुप्रीम कोर्टान पण म्हाजें सांगपाचें कितें आहा
Right.
सी इंटेन्शन ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ दॅट डे हॅड टू बी टेकन
Okay.
इनटू
No, no.
अकाउंट
Let's take this on this point, Carlos Babe. तो म्हणटा की फाल्यां घडये promulgate जालें
जावं
नाशिल्लें
नाशिल्लें, मागीर
ordinance.
कितें?
जाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्ट आमकां कशेंच म्हणटा आशिल्लें सो यू आर होल्डिंग मी टू टास्क बिकॉज इट हॅपन्ड इन अ सर्टन वे अदरवायज इफ इट हॅड नॉट हॅपन्ड देन आय वुड हॅव
बिफोर आन्सर एकूच सांगता यू सी द डेट ऑफ इनवर्ड ऑफ दोज फायल्स It is not done on that day.
Okay.
It is done 4 years back.
Okay.
In the time and manner.
Okay, now let's take Carlos Babe and move ahead.
The Supreme Court does not decide on questions, or even the courts, high courts, do not decide on academic questions
Correct.
or hypothetical questions.
Yeah.
It only decides on the factual aspect.
Yeah.
Even right now, the Supreme Court in this judgment has not decided on auction or no auction.
Correct.
Because it says we are not going into the area because we are only deciding at this stage.
Yeah.
So the question that what could have happened, if it could have happened, is again putting it hypothetical.
Sorry to interrupt.
Now-
Sorry to interrupt, but that is what they have decided on that.
I put it this way to you. I even put on a worst case scenario. There was no ordinance in 2015 or 2015 January. There was no ordinance and there was no amendment. I still say Supreme Court didn't rely on the ordinance for it. That's the second leg of the argument of the Supreme Court of undue haste.
Yeah.
The first leg of the argument was non-compliance with the 2014 judgment.
Yes. So fresh grant and fresh renewal.
Exactly. That ends the question.
Second गजाल जी आसा no I'll come to you. Now दुसरो जो aspect सामको important आसा तू भितर आनी एक जो ऑर्डरी भितर आयला तो म्हळ्यार तो फायनल सबमिशनाचो where it says one final submission before us was that
Yeah, this
the
paragraph.
cases
Yeah.
it's 147
Yeah.
that the cases we referred to a bench of 9 learned judges since the constitutional validity of the Goa Daman and Diu mining concession Act 1987 was under challenge in some cases and the decision in those cases would perhaps render the present proceedings infructuous. In some of these pending cases, this court has passed order on 29 October 2002 to await the decision of the 9 learned judges. We are not at all inclined to to accept this request and mention it only to reject it. What does this mean? Because एक constitutional bench मुखार आमची main case आसा concessions काय leases ती आणि Supreme Courtaचे clear आसा we are not at all inclined to accept this request and mention it only to reject it. Wait, let Kalozab say, then I will take Yatish on this. Yeah.
If you know what this case which is pending before 9-judge bench
Yeah.
is, earlier under the Portuguese regime, we were having mining concessions, and mining concessions had no life, and there was nothing like
There was a renewal for every
renewal was
year.
automatic, but
Yeah,
it
then
was
up to there was the last period.
yes,
There was the last period 2027.
But it had perpetuity as a
it was
basic
perpetuity.
ingredient.
Yes, it was in
Yes, the
perpetuity.
original.
That
Original.
was
Correct.
done away with by the amendment.
Yes.
Now the amendment, because what happened, they could not operate mines and minerals under Portuguese law when we are now in part and parcel of India, and therefore they wanted to have uniformity of law. They brought the MMRD Act, and they brought this 1987 amendment, which abolished concessions and converted all of them to deemed leases. That was given 10 years period of life,
Correct.
and after 10 years it was to be renewed for a further period of 10 years. Now please look at these dates, why I am saying this is very important. 1987, 10 years becomes
2007.
2007, and no, 10 years in 1997,
Yeah.
1997, sir.
Yeah.
97.
Yeah.
and 1997,
2007.
another 10 years of renewal
Yeah.
would have been 1997. 97, 2007,
2007,
which means in 2007 all this would have been over. So the second renewal technically would have been 97 to 2007.
Correct.
Now what happened was, under the mining concession rules 1960, rule 24 allows that you can make an application for renew if it is made within that particular time period. You can continue to renew until your application is
Decided.
Yeah.
So positive or negative. If it's positive, you continue. If it's negative, you have to stop.
Yeah.
Of course, you can file a revision against that order, which means you happily go on only on the basis of an application. So technically, all these had got over in 2007.
That's what I said, no?
To my good luck, I also appeared in this case for the state of Goa
Okay.
when the constitutional validity was challenged. Though it was Union of India defending, the mine owners lost the matter, and thereafter they carried the matter to the Supreme
The
Court.
Supreme Court.
High Court.
The High Court specifically held that mines belong to the state. Right to property is no longer a fundamental right. That now by virtue of Article 300A, by a legislation it can be taken away. And therefore, it was not simply taken away, they were converted into mining leases. And they could continue with all those parameters which were allowed by law. This matter is now pending before the, naturally because some conflicting views, it has gone to a larger bench of 9 judges.
Correct.
But my respectful submission is that finally, at the end of the day, we look at the constitutional framework. Right to property is no longer fundamental right.
Okay. Now that's very important. I want to ask you, Yatish. एक गजाल जी आसा हाजेर.
Before I
Yeah, quickly.
if that was so, then why is the case pending for last 15-16 years?
It would require interpretation of all conflicting judgments, and
so that
then
means
Yeah.
I don't disagree with
No,
that,
no,
doctor.
I'm coming
But
on that
what I am
point.
trying to
No,
say
I'm asking.
if this is
I'm
such a clear view,
I'm exactly
a
asking.
9-bench constitutional bench
I am-
cannot decide for last 17
I am
years.
exactly asking Yatish question that you intend to ask, and the question is, if this is the case, फाल्यां was a 9 constitutional bench and समजा decide केलें की तुगेले concessions तुगेली उरतली आणि जो act आसा 1987 चो तो अप्लाय तांकां जावचो ना म्हणून बरोबर जाल्यार ही जी फुल एक्सरसाइज जाल्या आतां मेरेन ऑक्शनाची ऑक्शन करपाची
For Goa,
ताका
only for
कितें
Goa,
अर्थ
only for
उरता
Goa,
फ्रॉम अ
not for the
लीगल
rest of the country.
ओनली फॉर गोवा
Because that-
फ्रॉम अ लीगल स्टँड पॉइंट त्या एक्सरसाइजीक कितें अर्थ उरता
पळय
हय
तो म्हणटा पळय ओनली फॉर गोवा इट इज बिकॉज 87 एक्ट इज ऑफ गोवा
करेक्ट हय
therefore that is the this
Yes.
that is only for
Yes.
Goa.
Yes.
Now see,
हय
I
I
do
want it
not
from a
want-
legal standpoint.
I-
India, in the other parts of the India, there are lines.
that amendment act was already there.
Yeah, that was what I'm telling you.
Yes.
So,
yes.
I do not want to go into an hypothetical domain of things.
Okay.
First of all,
Yeah.
to set just 2 points right. Number 1, तो म्हणटा पळय ऑर्डिनन्स प्रेसिडेंटान सायन करून आशिल्लें जाल्यार अंडरस्टँड दीस ऑर्डिनन्स सायन केलें पॅरा 28 ऑर्डिनन्स सायन करून कशा तरेन ते टेबल जालें तें तुवें पळयलां.
हय
So Supreme Court has gone on a proposition that has been crystallized by factual passage of time. अंडरस्टँड दिस.
Yeah.
सो हायपोथेटिकल उलोवचें न्हय.
हय
दुसरी गोष्ट
ऑन द कन्सेशन्स पार्ट.
येता. दुसरी गोष्ट तो जेन्ना म्हणटा पळय की अबाउट दिस एक्ट दॅट जजमेंट ऑफ 9 जजा कडेन पेंडींग आसा. What this court has held while deciding this, that we are not inclined to accept this, we reject it. Sarke,
Let me
I am pointing
Yeah,
out
yeah.
what the see
Correct.
what happens
From the legal
He-
standpoint.
he-
दोतोर सांग म्हणलं
he
दोतोर
तो
सांग
कितें
म्हणलं.
ताका भयंकर एग्रेशन
कांयच
तो आज
ना, आणि दोतोर सांग
सो
म्हणलं.
सो
दोतोर सांग.
हांव तुका
हांवें
हे बघ, हे बघ, दोतोर सांग
आ-
म्हणे की आपण ओगी रावत म्हणून सांगाल ताणें. सो तू सांग.
हांव तुका कितें म्हणटा
हय.
लेट अस गो ऑन द फॅक्च्युअल प्रिमाइस. आज कितें घडलां
What does this mean? What does that line mean?
पळय म्हणजे दे आर ट्रायंग टू से that we have gone by that argument which you have advanced. This argument would have been advanced. म्हणजे ताणे कशें म्हणलां वी आर नॉट एट ऑल इन्क्लायन टू एक्सेप्ट दिस रिक्वेस्ट. म्हणजे दिस रिक्वेस्ट वॉज मेड
Correct.
आणि आफ्टर दिस रिक्वेस्ट वॉज मेड दे हॅव गिवन अ फायंडिंग दॅट वी आर नॉट इन्क्लायन टू एक्सेप्ट बट वी आर मेन्शनिंग ओनली टू रिजेक्ट. That means this aspect, see, let me be, as a lawyer I'm telling you,
Yeah.
this aspect has been set out in this line.
Yeah. So there is no ambiguity.
That they don't see that they are not inclined to accept this request. This
That-
request,
it is there
request
before
was
the
made.
2000
Request was made.
Yes.
It was pointed out
Yes.
that this is pending.
With the
Okay,
constitutional-
9 judge and
Yes.
but this court found that it is not required to heed to that request.
ओके दिलेश म्हाका सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचो प्रश्न आनी जाका दिसता म्हाका गोंयकार जे डिबेट पळयताय तांकां सगळ्यात तकलें हांव आसा आतां कितें आय विल गो टू द लॉयर्स लेटर बट आतां सरकार कितें करपाक सोदता ही परिस्थिती आसा. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता की तुमकां ऑक्शन करचें पडटलें. क्लियरली सांगला की नाव यू हॅव टू डिसाइड इट एज पर द MMDR
The government has to go against this judgment to another
Where?
bench. Supreme Court, to the next higher bench. See, तुका सांगता बस, see, let us see.
You are going for a review.
Yes, we have to go for the review. It has to be done. And see, I am not saying whatever they might say. We have to go for the auction mode. There's no doubt about that. One thing very clear, even when these people get over whatever period, 2027 officially, whatever, we have to go for auction mode. Now in the interest of the
Supreme Court
people
is telling you to go now.
No, Tashin, in the interest of, I am Puttun, I am repeating myself, what I am repeating, this is the third time I am repeating. The decision taken to renew those leases was basically principles of national justice for the total, because the economy went into doldrums. See, for no faults of that government, it was whatever he says, no, but they maka sodun.
Now let's not go on politics. Now let's come
How
on
kita
law.
manta?
Hi.
How kita manta? See, this is what has happened. Is that time it was decided and it was done. I am still making a stand that because it was going to be passed, that is why you cannot keep things pending. So it was done in a haste, but it is not done in a haste by giving application that time only. Application were pending from 2007 and they were not given. Except for Nata Itu, one man is not coming. Are you aware of that?
बरोबर.
One man is not coming.
Yes, yes.
So why only that one man is not coming?
आता तुम्ही
No,
किती
no, how
म्हणता?
can you
तुम्ही
do
किती
that?
म्हणता?
No, no,
Now
how
again, you are again going to political domain.
no, how
I am on a practical thing. What government wants to do?
No, it has to go on the, I don't know, but I will always tell my Honorable Chief Minister, we have to file a review petition in the next bench because this is totally, which is not correct. Yes, overall, I am agreeing with everybody, I don't know. I think they are all in the e-auction mode of auctioning the mines, which I am there. But for that also,
But you are saying we are not prepared for it right now.
Right now,
And
right
just
now,
because we
otherwise-
are not prepared for it, you cannot keep the business shut.
you cannot keep the business
That's what you are
shut.
saying,
That is
yeah.
what I am saying. Why I am adding to that. I am adding to that also.
Yeah.
See, when it was decided, I am telling you, no. See, now they have not said that one lease mine which was renewed before 2007 हजार renew केली एक mine TC आमचे ते
हय,
area असा
हय.
ती mine तू येऊ ना
हय.
ते सांगले रे
ना ना सांगता ना
no,
सांगता
हांव-
पण कितें
येते,
मला
येते,
हांव
सांगता.
कितें म्हजें सांगपाचें कितें
No, what is your point?
ऑप्शन म्हणल्यार सगळ्यो आसपाक जाय न्ही
पळय, पळय.
एक mine कितें उरली
काय-
Okay.
म्हणजे
I-
तेजो
I-
something
Yeti Yeti,
remaining
no, I have a
was
very
less
clear
was
point. No, Yeti Yeti, my question is very simple. कारण लोकांक कळणी सारकें because he is also making some very crucial emotive arguments. प्रश्न हुआ कि whether there is a scope for review.
पळय
What do you feel?
पळय लेट मी पुट इट रायट स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान कशा तरेन मायनिंग इशू हाताळा हाजे बद्दल हांवें उलयलां with all that mess that they have done to the mining industry
ते परत
and
नका.
mining
On-
economy.
on whether there is a
एक minute,
scope for review.
एक मिनिट
हा.
mining
अरे ते पुत्त
economy.
पुत्त सांगा
एक
का रे?
minute.
हा, बरोबर आहे.
पुत्त
नाही,
पुत्त
एक
सांगा
minute
रे.
रे, तू म्हणा.
ऐक रे, ऐक रे.
हा, सांगा, सांगा,
वेळ
सांगा.
वता रे.
हय, हय.
Therefore, as per law, this issue had to be handled.
Correct.
Which they have not. Which they have not. They have done this mess. They have done this mess.
What
BJP
is the law?
government.
Ask him.
One second.
wait.
ऐकले तुकाच law खबर आहा, बाकी सगळे बोणे. हे virus
सांग
तुमका
मला,
leaderan
law
दिल्या.
सांग मला.
तुमची virus leaderan दिल्या.
Yatish,
Law-
Yatish.
law म्हणजे
There
काय?
I am very good. Is there a scope for review?
See,
Right.
understand one thing. These issues of facts and law have been examined in this judgment. Here I am talking purely as a lawyer.
Right.
That when review is possible is only when, as a lawyer I am saying, please don't this on that.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is a basic premise. There should be an error apparent on the fact or on law, on the interpretation of it. This is the scope which gives you for review. Now, therefore, I will rest at this because just by stating the proposition of law, I do not want to go further because I do not want to go beyond that.
Yeah, because you don't want to go beyond that.
Second.
You are also stopping short of saying many things like
Because
ना, ना, ना,
because
see,
कित्याक
see,
सांगता तुका
प्रमोद
हांव तुका कायदो
प्रमोद
सांगता
प्रमोद बाब,
तुका कायदो सांगता
कायदो
ऐक रे ऐक
तो
रे
पळय कायदो सांगता हांव तोच कायदो तेकडे विचारता खंयचे कायद्यान ताणी केला
अरे
तो
बाबा
सांग
ऐक
ना.
रे ऐक
तो
रे
सांग
तो
ना.
कितें
No, no,
उलयता
no,
रे
no, no, no.
अरे
कितें उलयता
see
म्हणटा
please
तो?
understand this is a judgment of the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
So you have to give sanctity to the judgment.
Correct.
Now your question is, he doesn't want to give sanctity to the judgment only. If you want to bring a solution,
Yeah.
then you should give sanctity and then apply your mind. If you don't want to give sanctity only, you will never come to a
Okay.
reasonable
Final एक गजाल सांगात. Let us be very clear. Is there a scope for review? Because of your vast experience, I am asking you, as a lawyer, तुमका कित दिसता? कितलो scope असा to go for a review in front of the state government, or what are the other means, legal means that the government can explore?
One is a factual basis. If there's a factual foundation, error in the judgment, and I don't see any which is coming, because these are records of the state government and the central government which the Supreme Court examined and quoted it, actually extracted paragraphs and quoted. So unless you can show something is wrong with it or something was typed wrongly and therefore you came to a wrong conclusion, so I don't find anything on fact. This apprehension about auction and then I have the surface right and you don't know what is below and all that, this argument will fall flat on the face. In 1 minute the Supreme Court will dismiss it, and I will tell you, I will
comment on my
I will explain this why, because
No,
it will
sir,
be-
sir, let me tell why. I said about the auctioning part of it.
Yeah.
No, no,
In
I'm coming to
future
that.
Government has to do all this and auction. So
Then
understand-
only auction.
No, that even that I'm not trying to say that your thing is not understood, but I've understood you're saying that
Yeah.
it will take time for this process.
Correct.
But you see, what will be the answer in the Supreme Court? All the mine owners have submitted mining plans to IBM. EC and Environment Ministry, MOEF, has also got plans, so they know the ground, because they know what's the holding capacity of this mine.
Correct.
So therefore, they know for what period of time the mining can be allowed or cannot be
No,
allowed.
I'll come to you, Nilesh.
So therefore, that factual foundation will collapse. I think the government may have to think something better than this.
Yeah.
Now on the question of review, you see, Supreme Court rarely reviews its own judgments, because Supreme Court generally is the last court, and it's not like every day, like you change a shirt, you change a judgment of the Supreme Court, and it rarely accedes to a request for review. There could have been a scope, probably there could have been scope by saying that the challenge to the Abolition Act is pending.
Yeah.
But Supreme Court has snubbed that or nipped that at the bud by including it in this judgment and directly rejecting it and saying that that means they're conscious of it, and
still they have taken
we are
this judgment.
rejecting it.
Yeah.
Therefore, this will not be the ground for it. Now the question is then what then remains as the ground of law? Now for the first thing which I would have asked if my client was to me, I would have asked him, what was your petition which you filed? What grounds did you take? I don't know, because if the state government in the High Court came out with a policy which the Supreme Court said is a policy of auctioning, if the Supreme Court recorded the state government's arguments that we are not in favor of, I'll just read this. I'll just read these words. Then my question would be, how can the state government then go? The Learned Advocate General submitted that in view of the findings of the Supreme Court, that is in the earlier 2014 judgment, there is no question of renewal of the mining leases. The learned Advocate General submitted that in terms of the Supreme Court decision, it is for the state government to grant fresh leases in accordance with the policy which is yet to be framed. Because this was yet to be framed at that time. Then continues, the learned Advocate General submitted that the orders on which the petitioner relied the most show the government in principle has agreed for renewals for a further period of 20 years, and same was not a final decision. He submitted that in terms of the said decision of the Apex Court, it is for the state government to frame fresh mining policy, and after framing the same to decide grant of fresh mining leases. And then the Supreme Court says the state government accepted this decision because of these words and also its action. Now, how does the state government, on what legs would it stand
To go for any review.
to go for a review?
Okay. म्हाका लास्ट निलेश, आय एम गिव यू फायनल वर्ड. म्हाका सांग, हे आतां सगळे गजाली यू अंडरस्टँड द इंडस्ट्री बेटर. तुका सगळं पिरियड सगळं खबर आसा. EC परत घे म्हूण सांगल्या, EIA परत कर म्हूण सांगला, ग्रांट सगळे परत फ्रेश दी म्हूण सांगल्या. हे सगळे करपा खातीर इफ तुम्ही रिव्यू समजा जायना जशें हांगा सांगता तशें, कितलो टायम लागतलो गोंयाक मायनिंग रिज्यूम जावपाक?
हे जर उरलें न्ही,
हय.
मायनिंग आनी गोंयान चालू जायना. बरोवन घे म्हाजे कडेन, बरोवन घे. आतां पळय सगळ्या उजे सांगता, मायनिंग गोंयान हे जर उरलें न्ही, मायनिंग गोंयान लीज न्ही. सी तुमी समजना. सी आय अंडरस्टँड बिकॉज सी आय डोंट debate
you
on
are
that
from the
point.
industry, that's why
I
I'm
am
giving
part
final
of the
word.
industry. I am
Yes.
part of the industry. I know the specifications of gold origin ore.
कित्याक जायना ऑक्शन?
अरे पण
लोकांक कळपाक जाय म्हणून विचारता.
तू समजना.
हय.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मार्केट इज सो बॅड
हय.
की देर आर न्यू मार्केट्स विच आर सप्लायिंग होमोजिनस कार्गो टू द मार्केट्स रिक्वायरमेंट. गोंयचो ओर तू कितलो अपग्रेड केलो, इंडियन फर्नेसी आसा, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू यूज टोटल क्वांटम. मे बी सम क्वांटम कॅन बी यूज. 1 लाख काडलो 5,000 यूज जातलो. उरलेलो कितें करपाचो? आनी 5,000 काडपाक इकॉनॉमी वायबल ना. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग आय एम टेलिंग यू. सेकंड थिंग, होमोजिनिटी ऑफ द ओर. See, there are ore bodies very rarely found in big streaks. It is more of pocket deposits, and some areas maybe there is a continuity, but that does not give homogeneity. Alumina, silica ratio in the ore is differing in every purpose. These Supreme Court lawyers don't know. Now, when they say auction, what I am trying to say, I am not against the auction part. Yes, auction. But for auctioning, you should not depend on a third party, as he is saying, as advocate is saying that fellows mining plan submit केला, हे सबमिट केला. अरे ऑक्शन जेन्ना हे आमचे ओवर जो सीज जालो, ऑक्शन केलो, ऑक्शन करतना 33,000 आहलो, कित्याक दे हॅड सेड 30,000, थंय मेळलो 15,000. वयलो कोणाक आहलो? सो यू कांट डिपेंड ऑन अ थर्ड पार्टीज मटेरियल फॉर ऑक्शन. They do whatever the mining.
yes, let
me finish on his point because I will give तेणे सांगले पळय, ऑक्शनाचे तू मायनिंग प्लॅन सबमिट करता, DGMS प्लॅन सबमिट करता, डिपार्टमेंट सबमिट करता, इट इज थर्ड पार्टी. गव्हर्नमेंट जेन्ना ऑक्शन करता, गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज बिलो टू ऑक्शन.
हे सगळे करपाक कितलो टाइम लागतलो?
पळय तू समजना. हे केलो देखून जालें न्ही, जाल्यार ते लोक घेतले ना घेतले म्हाका खबर ना. आनी
टाइम लागतलो?
हेका टाइम लागतलो. सी प्रोसेसिंग, सी 1 हेक्टराची मायन आसा, 67 हेक्टराची मायन सपोज.
सामान्य मनशा कळपाक हे सगळे जर केले कितली वर्सां लागतली?
तू म्हाका, हांव आनीक डिबेट घे, हांव तुका स्टॅटिस्टिक्स हाडटा. गोंयचे सोड, गोंयचे भायले अशे लीज केल्या, कितल्यो मायनिंग कंपनीनी लीजी घेतल्या आनी चालू केल्या तुका दाखयता. खंयचे कंपनीन केल्ले आसा. आतां प्रोटेक्टीव लिजीस केल्या, गोंयच्या भायर प्रोटेक्टीव लीज केल्या. गोवा इज गिवन द ओनली प्लेस वेर यू कॅन एक्सपोर्ट. तर तुका खबर आहा न्ही?
बरोबर.
भायले प्रोटेक्टीव लीज टू द इंडस्ट्री. खंय लिजी चालू जाल्या रे?
तुम्ही म्हाका सांगतात द फ्युचर ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री इज कंप्लिटली अनसर्टन.
Completely no, it is uncertain.
Okay.
If this judgment goes through, no,
Yeah.
and there is nothing back on this judgment,
Yeah.
mining industry in Goa will never commence for
हांव
next 100 years.
इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका दिसता लोकांच्या तकल्यांक लिगल, पॉलिटिकल आणि फॅक्च्युअल ह्या तिनूय गजालींचेर सकाळसान भरपूर चर्चा चलिल्ली. आय थिंक दीस डिबेट रेस्ट ऑल दोज डाउट्स. कार्लोस बाब, यतीशान लिगल गजाली सांगल्यात आनी ग्राउंड रियलिटीचेर निलेश बाबान सुरवातीसान भर दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला. तुमचे सगळ्या मुखार ह्या जजमेंटाचे प्रॉपर विश्लेषण हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो. आयले तुमी इतली बरे तरेन म्हाका म्हणलें. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.